Now let's see the last mode of driving unipolar stepper motor, and that's nothing but half drive mode sequence. In this mode, alternatively 1 and 2 electromagnets are energized. So it is combination of wave and full drive step sequence. This mode sequence is commonly used to increase angular resolution of stepper motor. Let's pause this step sequence and observe how the stepper motor will work in this mode, half wave drive sequence mode. As we know, the half wave drive mode is a combination of wave drive mode and full wave drive mode. So it includes total 8 step sequence. So let's pause this step sequence and observe how stepper motor rotate in this step sequence in this mode. So first we are passing 1000. In this case, only this terminal of stepper motor will get logic 0 and all others will be at logic high. Hence only this half of the winding will conduct current and it will generate south and north pole. Now when we pass second step sequence, in this case this half of winding also conduct, hence it will generate south and north pole and the rotor will rotate accordingly. Then next only this half of the winding is conducting and it will create south and north pole and rotor will rotate accordingly. So now you can see in this step sequence, first we are passing wave drive, then full drive. As we know, in wave drive mode only one coil is energized. In full drive mode 2 coils are energized. So you can see that thing here. It's a wave drive and it's a full wave drive mode. So now I will run this step sequence again and you can observe how stepper motor rotates. As we have seen, in wave drive mode and full wave drive modes, motor will rotating by 90 degree. Here you can see in half wave drive mode, motor is rotating 45 degree. Hence it improves angular resolution of stepper motor. Okay, now let's quickly see the Proteus simulation. Here you can observe in each step sequence the rotor is rotating by 45 degree. In case of full drive mode and wave drive mode, it was rotating 90 degree. Second thing you can observe here that first only one coil will get energized, then 2 coils, then again 1 coil and then 2 coils. Now I hope you have understood the working of half wave drive mode sequence in unipolar stepper motor.